As solar technology continues to expand across the US, the industry is beginning to face an important and growing the question. What happens when solar panels reach the end of their life? For homeowners and businesses in Columbus, OH, understanding the process of solar panel recycling is crucial to maintaining a sustainable energy strategy and protecting the environment. With most solar panels designed to last 25 to 30 years, many of the first widespread residential systems are now approaching retirement. This blog explores how solar panel recycling works, why it matters, and what sustainable solutions are emerging in 2025. Why solar panel recycling is important environmental impact. While solar power is one of the cleanest energy sources available, panels are made from materials that must be handled responsibly at the end of their lifespan. Without proper disposal, panels can release hazardous materials like lead or cadmium into the soil or water. Glass and aluminum components take up landfill space unnecessarily. Valuable materials like silicon and silver go to waste. Economic recovery. Many solar panel components are recyclable and have economic value. Proper recycling helps recover. High purity silicon, aluminum frames, copper wiring, silver from conductive pastes. These materials can be reused to manufacture new panels or electronics, reducing the demand for raw resource extraction. How long do solar panels last? Typical lifespan. Most high-quality panels last 25 to 30 years before their efficiency drops below 80%. Brands like Owens Corning and Atlas Pro Plus are known for their durable construction, with warranties covering up to 25 years. Even after 30 years, panels often still produce energy, just at a reduced rate, and can be repurposed in low-demand settings or donated for off-grid use. What happens at end of life? Disposal versus recycling. Improper disposal is still too common. In some regions, old panels are simply sent to landfills, a practice that wastes valuable materials and creates environmental risks. Fortunately, recycling infrastructure is improving. As of 2025, several specialized facilities in the US and abroad accept panels for responsible breakdown and material recovery. The solar panel recycling process. Step 1. Collection and transportation. Panels are removed from rooftops or ground mounts by certified technicians and transported to recycling centers. Proper handling prevents breakage and exposure to hazardous substances. Step 2. Disassembly. Aluminum frames and junction boxes are separated for metal recycling. Glass is removed and crushed for use in new glass products. Cables and connectors are sorted for copper recovery. Step 3. Cell processing. Silicon cells undergo thermal or chemical treatment to remove encapsulants and isolate valuable materials. Advanced recycling methods can recover over 90% of panel content. Emerging recycling technologies. Closed-loop systems. Manufacturers are now developing closed-loop systems where recycled panel materials are reintegrated into the production of new solar equipment. This creates a more sustainable and circular manufacturing model. Automated disassembly. Robotic systems can disassemble panels with precision, improving efficiency and reducing labor costs, making recycling more scalable as the volume of retired panels grows. State and federal policy support. Several states, including California and Washington, have passed legislation requiring solar panel recycling programs. While Ohio has not yet implemented statewide mandates, growing awareness is pushing local governments and businesses to adopt voluntary initiatives. The Federal Solar Investment Tax Credit, ITC, still supports new installations, but industry stakeholders are advocating for tax credits or incentives tied to recycling and end-of-life panel recovery. How homeowners can recycle solar panels. Plan ahead. When installing a new solar system, ask your installer about recycling policies. Work with providers who offer end-of-life recycling services or partner with certified recycling facilities. Use manufacturer. Take-back programs. Some manufacturers offer panel take-back programs. Owens Corning, for example, is among the industry leaders exploring panel recycling pathways. Avoid DIY disposal. Never throw panels in the trash. Always use licensed recycling centers or request assistance from your installer. The future of sustainable solar recycling isn't just about managing waste. It's about designing smarter solar solutions from day one. Future panels will likely use fewer rare or toxic materials, be easier to disassemble, include manufacturer-backed return programs. By choosing installers and manufacturers committed to sustainability, you contribute to a cleaner energy future, not just through generation, but also through responsible end-of-life management. At Solar Installer Columbus, we support full-cycle solar sustainability. From high-performance installations to panel recycling and responsible system upgrades, we're committed to delivering clean energy solutions that last. As a BBB-accredited A-plus business and Owens Corning Platinum Preferred contractor, we prioritize innovation, transparency, and environmental responsibility. Read also our blog, Stand Out in a Crowded Market, with these solar sales tips. The Post-Sustainable Solutions, Recycling Your Old Solar Panels. First appeared on Solar Panel Installation Columbus.